Ever wanted to bring your characters to life in PowerPoint? Today, I'll show you a super easy way to create your very own animated GIF character, all without any complex software. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the slide with the 3D model you want to animate. Once you're there, right-click on the slide and select Duplicate Slide. This is a crucial step because each duplicated slide becomes the next frame in your animation. Now, click on the duplicated slide. Here's where the fun begins. Rotate, resize, or reposition your 3D model. Think of this as setting up the next pose in your animation sequence. The more creative you get, the more dynamic your character will look next. Head over to the Transitions key and choose the Morph effect. This makes your model move smoothly from one slide to the next, creating a natural animation. You can tweak the duration to make it faster or slower depending on the vibe you want. Once everything looks perfect, go to File and then Export. Select Create Animated GIF and let PowerPoint do its magic. In just a few moments, you'll have a fully animated character GIF ready to use in presentations, emails, or even social media. And there you hope you'll have it. A fun, simple way to bring your characters to life in PowerPoint. With a little practice, the possibilities are endless, so go ahead and start animating.